How to use the Cash App Pool. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to use Cash App Pool. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app. Next, your app needs to be like mine here, where the new Pools feature has to be present for you to proceed. First, enter the amount you would like to be raised in the pool. Once you do that, go to the bottom of the page and tap on the option named Pool. On the next page, a menu appears with a section where you are supposed to write or give the pool a name. For example, like mine, it is for Ollie's birthday. Once you are ready, tap here, Start. This page appears as you can see. On this page, you will see different sections, such as the goal you have set in terms of the amount of money that will be contributed. Also, you will see the amount that has been contributed currently. At the bottom of the page, there are two options. One is to add people, the other is contribute. Contribute means you will be adding more money from your side. If you want another to contribute too, you will need to tap this option here, named Add People. You will then see a list of all the people who are in your contact list and use Cash App. Search for the users you would like to take part in the contribution and add them so that they can contribute. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to use the Cash App Pool.